Hi guys, welcome back and thank you for stopping by. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. My name is Bridget and welcome to my kitchen. In today's video, we are making a simple drink that is good for your immune system, that help refresh the body and keep the body hydrated. Especially around the time of summer, this is so good and you will love it. Into my blender, I'll be adding one Mandarin Orange or Clementine or any other way that you know this is called. I'll add it to the blender. I have already washed all the ingredients on the plate already. So I'll be adding them into the blender. I'll add some frozen mango chunks, and also I'll be cutting off the head of the strawberries. I'm adding 3 strawberries and I'll cut them into smaller pieces and I'll add them into the blender as well. And my friend, if you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button and also press the notification button so you are notified anytime I upload a new video. And thank you. I want to say thank you to all my already subscribers. You guys are amazing and I love you and God bless you. The last thing I'll be adding will be the lime. I'll cut the bottom and the top and peel off the skin. I'll cut them into small pieces and add them to the blender. At this point, you can add some water to blend this drink, or you can also add any other drink or juice that you would like to. But I'll be using a liquid that I prepared. I made it out of the peel of my pineapple. So once you wash your pineapple very well, you peel the skin, you will be able to boil it. I boil with some cloves and also 1 lemon. This is what I'm talking about the video about. This is the liquid out of it. So this is what I'm going to be using to blend this drink. I'll add enough and I'm going to cover the blender and I'll blend this into a very smooth consistency. And this is the look or the consistency we are looking for. It's look perfect, so refreshing, and it is so delicious. And this is great for summer cool down or just for any day, and you will love it, and I know your family will love it too. Thank you so much for watching this simple recipe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Bless you.